Na kabenta jang ka normal conception, baro ngitip bangidan kam ya ka normal semen count na do 1520 million. Henry, kane ka pregnancy kalaneam bar ka sperm count do na ya ka 2 million. Haoit ka long ka bala lingba ka jingdan jang ki technique jang ka XC intracytoplasmic sperm injection. Ngila banjit morphological normal sperm, but ngin ya inject ka po ka Symbai jang ka female partner, bengin yo ya ka result ka babyang.
Kum Shibanta ban Kyntiew ya ka Kamri Jingri ba ka Jingdon kam ban yo ya ka Jaka Pynkha Symbai ka bapaka ha ka snip palay jong ka tayo labu yo maunong rim bantay ya ka Regional Semen Production Laboratory and Semen Bank ha ka shnong Kyrdemkulai Ribhoi District ka ban long ka Jingmanto ya ki bari ya ki Jingri bapher.
Shibanta ban Kyntiew ka Kamri Jingri ba ka Jingdon kam ban yo ya ka Jaka ban Pynkha Symbai ka bapaka Hagasantrik Jileo Arhajar Arpusan, U Menteri Ketenaga Animal Husbandry but Veterinary uba ALHEC, ulalit banbu imonong rim, bantay ke Regional Semen Production Laboratory but ke Semen Bank hagasnong Kyrdemkulai hag District Riboy. La sakilang haganigasngid uba FR Karkongor Principal Secretary ka Animal Husbandry but Veterinary, Dr. M. Karchandi, Director Animal Husbandry but Veterinary, Uraja Brahma, ADC ke District Liboy, ba Arnong Bri rang ba shnong ke Kyrdemkulai San Kilo, kinong shnong bat kinong Jingri. Uba ALHEC ke jingkren u ulai ke jingiro ya ketenan Animal Husbandry but Veterinary, kabla trishitom ban penurlong ya ke project ke Bakongsan. Manio ke Jaka ke Bapaka ban Pynkha Symbai ya ke Langbrot bat ki Blang, kum katong ban Kyntiew ke Kamri Jingri jong kitu ke BM Cakpo na ke Kamri Jingri. Bat kejingdan kam kejelahi baro na kebenta banyo ekado jong kalang berat bat kabelang bat ula khod ya baro ban ai kejing trelang kanang bagane ke project kanong ke bejob ulong ru bagane ke project kam dei than tang ban kot kejing te yaka nrei uang bagane ke project kanong kejing kerku kaban kersha ni kinong ri jingri jong kejela ban Kyntiew ru yakayo kot jongki Lembag nek program Ketenaga Animal Husbandry but Veterinary kala rakyat ru ya kesni penek mariang de batung diang hakane ke Jaka kum kajingnya seno aktilang ban penurlong ya katong jong sarkar jela ban penjerngam ya kamariang.
Department of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary is entrusted with the responsibility of all aspects of livestock and poultry development like productions, processing, marketing of livestock and poultry and their products through augmentations of production of milk, meats, eggs and wool. Creations of suitable infrastructure for breeding, feeding and management of livestock and poultry, processing of milk, meat and eggs, and marketing livestock and livestock products is given due importance. Besides, the department is engaged in providing required training and extension support to the livestock producer to promote the scientific rearing of livestock and poultry amongst them with consequent generations of employment avenue in the rural areas. Goat and sheep husbandry is yet to pick up in the state commercially. There is a high demand of mutton and chicken, especially in the urban areas of the state. Availability of the superior germplasm is a challenge and the matter of needs to address this on a priority. Hence, to achieve the result quickly, proposal for establishment the regional semen production laboratory and the Semen Bank for sheep and goat at Kyrdemkulai. It has been proposed by the reappropriations of funds approved by the ministry from the outspend balance under the National Livestock Mission for utilizations during 25-26. The project will have all the modern infrastructures where the artificial insemination in goats, sheep will be carried out to improve the local stock of goat and sheep, and the farmer will be immensely benefited.